Done. Hello guys, this is Ashish from Chelsea Loft family. So today I am here with one more unboxing video of one of the most anticipated phone of this quarter. So today we are going to unbox OnePlus 7. So recently on 14th of May, OnePlus has launched two of its premium flagship phone, that is OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. OnePlus 7 Pro happens to be a new segment of OnePlus community, but OnePlus 7 is an upgrade to 6 and 60. Let's come and see what we have inside this OnePlus 7. So ये हमारा OnePlus 7 का बॉक्स है और आपको पता होगा हमारा YouTube चैनल पे हमारा OnePlus 6T का अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो पहले से ही लाइव है, आप उसमें देख सकते हैं. बॉक्स तो हूबहू सेम ही है. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट ओनली द न्यूमेरिक 6 हैज़ बीन रिप्लेस्ड विथ 7. हियर वी हैव दिस OnePlus community band, and along inside that we just have the OnePlus 7. Let's open up and see what we have inside. So inside this as the OnePlus 6T, we have the same component. Here we have a package. I guess it will have the we have an invitation letter of the CEO of the company describing about the product. Along with that we have some paperwork and a silicone TPU case for the protection of the phone. And this phone comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM. However, this OnePlus 7 has two variants. One is a 6GB variant, 128GB ROM, and one more is 8GB RAM and 256GB of ROM. Inside this we have user guides and manuals. Here inside we have the main unit, that is OnePlus 7, and it comes in red color. So ये है OnePlus का अपना खुद का proprietary dash charger जो कि आपको 50% of mobile battery दे सकता है within 30 minutes of charging. And ये हमारा 5 volt 4 ampere or we can say it's a 20 watt charger. Along with that we do get USB type A से USB type C cable है. And to surprise, with this phone not having a 3.mm headphone jack, this time OnePlus is not giving any 3.5mm headphone dongle. So let us go to the physical overview of the phone. So coming up with the physical overview of this phone, here this phone comes with a 6.41 AMOLED display. Along with that we have a teardrop notch housing a 16 megapixel front camera. Along with this time OnePlus is coming up with Dolby Atmos sound, where we have stereo Dolby Atmos, where here we have a type C port and we don't have any 3.5mm jack. And coming up to the front top view, here we have a secondary noise cancellation mic. Here this side we have a power on off button. Along with that alert slider which helps you in keeping into vibration, silent and loud mode of the phone. Along with the other side we have the volume rockers and the SIM slot. This phone comes with a dual SIM and it does not support any external memory card or a hybrid SIM slot. Let's switch on and see what we have in this phone. So this phone is powered by Snapdragon Qualcomm 855, which happens to be a 7nm based processor, and this variant of phone comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It's powered by Oxygen OS and it's based on Android 9.0. So this was the unboxing of OnePlus 7. So do let us know about your feedback in the comment section below. And this phone starts from 32,999,000 for 6GB variant and extends up to 37,999,000 for 8GB variant. Do let us know if this price segment of OnePlus 7 in Indian market is feasible for the normal consumers or not. See you next time. Love and peace from Chelsea Loft family.